What don't we want to do? Fall. What else don't we want to do? Get wet. Uh-oh. A little frozen ride today. I want to go find some super like snowy areas. But if you'll notice, I'm missing a front brake. Also, everything is like ice, but not really. Whoa. All right, let's see what we can do. Whoa. All ice. All right, we're on a local, I guess it's like a mountain bike trail, hiking trail kind of, but in the wintertime it doesn't get used, decommissioned, and you also can't tear anything up because it's all icy anyways. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All the roots are super icy. There's patches of ice everywhere. We got rain not long ago, and now it just covered everything. Let's see how we get through it. Whoop. Whoa! Whoa! That's what I mean too, right? Like, whoa! Uh-oh. Okay, yo, big win for traction control. I have another big fear. Pop a tire on one of these icy shards. The other fear that I have, I slip through one of these things and my bike gets all wet and then the components start to freeze. Third fear is I slip through and then I've got to get all the way back to my house and not freeze too. guess ATVs made it through here. That was the most controlled donut ever. Ooh. You can hear the ice cracking. It's so scary. Oh no. Nice and easy. There we go, like a little tractor. The little engine that could. Man, that's like the perfect little donut thing. Look at that. Ready? Don't slide out. Let's go this way, because then it might loop us back and we have more to go on. Whoa. Oh, a bridge. Well, suppose that makes sense. What do you think? Well, good thing it's waterproof. Do I think I have the skills to do this? No. Do I think I could get lucky doing this? Yep. Whoa. Alright, I guess we gotta get up the hill first. Okay, let's try it. Oh my days. Let's try traction control. Oh! No way! Dude, that was sick. Damn, you know the worst part about riding is something feels so big. When you see it on camera, you're like, God damn it, that's so small. I mean, really, it's only 1, 2, 3 feet, and then like, I don't know, 8, 10 inches up. I say we go up here though. Whoa! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Have my directions right. We actually want to look for a trail on our left-hand side. Oh. Well, that's kind of it. I'm gonna wait for more snow to come down because I feel like when there's more snow, this will just be way more fun. Till then, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.